2 of Introduction to Projects. If you missed the first part of this video, don't worry, you can watch it even after now. In today's video, I'll be talking about project management proper and why it is important in our day-to-day life. In the last video, I introduced us to the concept of projects and how to be deliberate and intentional with any endeavor we find ourselves engaged in. I also talked about the need to adopt a structured approach to doing anything we are doing so that we can take control of our projects, predict our successes, repeat our successes, and avoid our failures. Now, if you get the concept of projects and project management right, it will help you take control of your life. I mean, you know where you are headed as an individual, as an organization, as a business, even as a nation. We need the concept of project management to be able to structure things properly. So the question now is, what is project management? I'm going to be giving you about 2 or 3 definitions of project management. Now, from my last video, I talked about the attributes of a project, and one of them is that project consists of interrelated activities that need to be managed together. Project management is a coordination of a group of project activities and controlling of project resources like time, money, people in order to achieve project objectives. There is a minimum level of knowledge and skill required to manage any project or any endeavor. That's why the second definition says project management is the application of that knowledge, of skill, of tools, of techniques to project activities in order to meet project requirements. In other words, for objectives and goals of any project to be achieved, the activities of the project has to be managed in a structured manner. Some people will tell you that project management is simply a structured approach to managing projects. Most projects experience a scope creep. So many things that you didn't plan out to do just find their way inside because of lack of project management. Things change, organizations change, the environment change, and so project management skill cannot but come into play if you must achieve the objectives of your projects. Now, let's look at a few importance of project management. Number 1, project management is important because for the goal and objective of any project to be met, it must be followed through. Things don't just happen. People make things happen. So when you fail to make things happen, things just happen anyhow. So project management helps you to follow through, to keep it on track and make it structured. Why is project management important? Number 2, because every project has a time frame. We can't afford to allow it to go on unending. So because it has a time frame, it has to be managed within the time frame. Number 3, why is project management important? It is important because we have limited resources. We don't have all the money, we don't have all the people. Cost overrun is likely to hit your project if it is not well managed. Number 4, we operate in a changing business environment and we need to know when we affect the environment or when the environment is affecting us negatively, adversely. We need to know. You can't know that if you don't have a structured approach to managing your project. Number 5, to have a more predictable project planning and execution process, you need to have the knowledge of project management. Number 6, project management helps you to resolve roadblocks and escalate issues quickly and easily. So when there are issues, because you have a structured approach to managing whatever you are doing, you can easily know where the roadblocks are coming from, and you escalate the issues and they are resolved on time, and then you avoid project failure. Number 7, project management helps us to identify and terminate projects that do not have relevance to our business value anymore. Sometimes when you start a project, the project looks good, but as you carry on, you discover that it's not aligning with strategic objective or even the business case. If you have a structured approach, it helps you to identify on time and terminate projects that no longer have relevance to your business value. Number 8, project management helps you to communicate effectively with your team. Communication is key to the delivery of a successful project. You need to communicate the time, stakeholders requirements, stakeholders expectations. You need to communicate how much you have on hand so that your team can be carried along. Number 9, improve customer satisfaction is there when there is good project management, because of course your quality improves when the project is properly managed. Then number 10, project management allows for retrospective learning. After every project, you sit down with your team and you discuss what happened during the project with the aim of improving things in the future based on what you have learned. What did you do right? What did you do wrong? You won't be able to account for all those if you do not have a structured approach to managing your project. Now, these are 10 very important reasons why project management is important. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you the processes and the life cycles of project management so that you know how to start and how to end your project in a structured manner. I need your feedback, please. It will help me prepare content for my subsequent videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.